Zip Fold technology. Innovative and compact one-piece frame engineered zip fold system will make setup easy and quick to and from the course. Newly engineered zip fold system is 12% lighter and 25% smaller for easy transport and space savings to and from the course. The rear wheels can be inverted on the axle to reduce the size of the footprint when not in use. Folded dimensions: inverted rear wheels, 27.55 x 18.5 x 16.5 inches. Weight, no battery, 30.91 pounds, with battery, 37.31 pounds, Click and Go Lithium battery system. Zip high performance lithium 36-hole batteries. Our batteries are at the forefront of battery technology. Light, compact, and powerful, our batteries help you go the distance out of the course. Clicks on vertically via the easy-to-access lifting handle. Simple color-coded charge port, red and black, and color-coded battery charger, green full charge and red charging. Simply click and go to the course. Powerful twin 230-watt motors, smooth and whisper quiet ride. The revolutionary Zip Navigator will do all the work for you so you can